Hello traders and Market Club members everywhere. Adam Hewison here coming to you from the digital studios of Market Club. It's the 19th of September and lots going on. We have the Alibaba, of course, their IPO today. And also we have Larry Ellison stepping down from Oracle, which is a pretty big move. But we're going to be looking at 6 stocks today. 3 of them on the move on the upside and 3 of them on the downside. So let's start off with this stock. And this stock is Citi. You can see the symbol is C. And you can see it's doing very, very well. And this is the key to Citi, in my opinion. Now, we're currently at a plus 100, very strong trend. We're making new highs, made new highs today. Now, if we can get over the high of the day, or let's say the high was 54.13, if we can get over just the opening and close towards the high of that, the opening on this was 53.08. So we get back over 53 and we close for the week up there, that's going to make an excellent weekend trade, in my opinion. So play close attention to that closer to the close today. Moving on to CSCO, which is another positive stock. You can see we have our weekly trade triangle here at 25.14. It's 25.18. Not a big difference, but we do have a strong trend with all of our trade triangles. All of them positive. We are over the 50 line on the RSI. Still, it looks like it's building a base to possibly go higher, and this is what we're looking for a push up in this market. You can see really here we had a nice little base. The market took off. Nice little base. We'll think the market will take off again. So again, you're over 50 on the RSI, which is the indicator we look at a lot. And also all of the trade triangles are in a positive fashion. Another good sign. So I wouldn't say this is a good candidate for a 52-week close weekend trade. It hasn't made new highs, so that's why we like the other stock better. So that's Citi. So let's go on to our next market. This is CVS Health Corp. And again, this is a very interesting stock. Now, when we started doing this, looking at this morning, this trade triangle was actually green. It's just turned red. And the reason it turned that, it just went below this low. But look at how it's come back. This is going to be actually a pretty good close for the week. And I think if you look, it is going to close higher for the week, which is good. But I think if you see it close here, I think you could buy this stock right around current levels and just put a stop below 81. I think your risk is 50 cents, which is in the scope of things, not a lot. And I think we could see this market make new highs. So let's look, they're the good ones. Let's look at the ones that aren't doing quite so well. Denver Resources looks like a disaster, minus a 90 on the trade triangles. Well, making new lows here. This does not look good. If we scope this out even further, you can see this is not a good sign. And I think we'll see this market come under further pressure. But we're very close to support here, so you want to pay a little bit of close attention to that. But the trend is down, so avoid this stock for the moment. Another stock that's sort of not acting too well is Unilever. And this is going to close not in a good fashion. We had the weekly signal. You can see here 41.09, and we're currently trading at 40.41. The trade triangles are very useful. Don't underestimate them. And we've had some comments which I think are justified, but the trade triangles do work and they will make money for you if you just follow them religiously. So minus 100, the trend is down. We expect this market to be under pressure on Monday. Another stock we're looking at is an ETF. That's the United States Natural Gas. And you can see on this stock, it's sort of just playing down to the support area. We've seen this happen so often. Right here, this is where the market's sort of trading back and forth. If we go through that area, it's not going to look good. We'll see this market probably trade down to these lows that we saw right here around 17. So if it breaks the area on these lows, you want to be definitely short, but you should be short now anyway based on our trade triangles. Now, one of the things you can do to find out if you can get some good weekend trades coming up, one of the things you do is to go to our Smart Scan technology, which is right here, and then you want to just go under 52-week highs, click there, and this will show you all markets that are making 52-week highs and looking very, very good. You can see just here you've got TC Pipelines LP looking very, very good on the high of the day, nice percentage change. So you want to look for markets going to close right on their highs. This is a very good one, NASDAQ DTS. A lot of opportunities this weekend to make money. And again, you buy on the close if it's close to the highs, and you sell on Tuesday on the opening. That's how you do it. Now you can scan these things. You can actually, we've got 354, which I think you'll agree is a lot to look through, but we can also scan these down in terms of last price. We can say the last price is, let's say, less than 20. That's less than 50. That'll cut it down. And the average volume, we'll say the average volume will see 2 million, so lots of volume, and we'll just look at US exchanges. So we filtered this already, and we'll say scan. Now we have 354, you can see it right here. Let's see what it gets down to. 19, a much better way to do it. So filter your trades, same criteria I just used, and you'll find some great trades for the weekend. Hey, I'm Adam Hewison. Thanks for stopping by. Every success. Have a great weekend, everyone, and we'll be talking to you next week.
You can find Adam Hewison as a regular contributor on Bloomberg, Business News Network, CNBC, and Fox Business News.